The iPhone 18 Pro Max might break a record next year, but not in a way that Apple fans are going to love. According to new leaks, Apple's next big flagship could become the heaviest and thickest iPhone ever made. Yes, even heavier than the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which was already pushing the limits of comfort for many users. Let's get into what's being said, why it's happening, and whether this is a smart move by Apple or a step in the wrong direction. Here's what we know so far. Reliable leaker Instant Digital claims that the iPhone 18 Pro Max will weigh more than 240 grams, possibly around 243 grams. To put that into perspective, that's heavier than the iPhone 13 Pro Max and 14 Pro Max, both of which weigh exactly 240 grams. And it's around 10 grams heavier than the iPhone 17 Pro Max, which already comes in at a hefty 233 grams. If this turns out to be true, it means Apple is taking the iPhone to a whole new level of bulk. And it's not just the weight. The new phone is also expected to be thicker than the iPhone 17 Pro Max, which is already 8.8 millimeters thick. That might not sound like much on paper, but in the hand, that extra thickness will definitely be noticeable, especially for a phone that's already big to begin with. Now, why is this happening? Why would Apple, a company famous for its sleek, minimal, and lightweight designs, make a phone this heavy? According to the leaks, it's all about hardware upgrades. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to include several new internal components that could add to its size and weight. One major factor could be an improved camera system. Apple is reportedly working on better sensors and lenses, which usually means larger and heavier camera modules. Another reason might be the battery. There are rumors that Apple plans to use a steel-cased battery for added safety and durability. Steel is much stronger than aluminum, but also significantly heavier. If Apple increases the battery size at the same time, which many users want for longer life, that alone could easily push the total weight over 240 grams. There's also talk that Apple will move the Face ID system under the display for the first time, which would require new sensors and structural changes to the screen assembly. All of this could contribute to a thicker, heavier phone. So yes, there are valid technical reasons behind the weight increase, but that doesn't mean users will be happy about it. And here's where it gets interesting. The leaker also claims that Apple made this decision partly because of the poor performance of the iPhone Air. That model didn't sell well. And Apple reportedly believes it's because users prefer better specs, even if it makes the phone heavier. But that might not be the right takeaway. The iPhone Air didn't fail because it was too light. It failed because it didn't offer enough value for its price. It had fewer features, a single rear camera, and a smaller battery, yet it was priced too close to the main iPhone lineup. In other words, customers didn't reject lightweight phones. They rejected bad deals. If Apple thinks making the Pro Max even bulkier will make it more appealing, it could be misreading what users actually want. Many people already find the 14 Pro Max and 15 Pro Max difficult to use one-handed. A 243-gram device could start feeling more like a small tablet than a phone. As an example, even iPhone 14 Pro owners, who use smaller models, often mention how much easier those phones are to carry and hold. And let's not forget, one of the main reasons Apple moved away from stainless steel frames in the first place was to make the Pro series lighter. So adding more weight now seems like a step backward. Of course, if Apple does include big upgrades, like a larger battery, new camera hardware, or faster charging, some users might accept the trade-off. But for many, especially those who use their phones for long periods or prefer slim designs, this could be a deal breaker. At the end of the day, the iPhone 18 Pro Max might bring impressive hardware and a few big firsts for Apple, but it's also shaping up to be the heaviest iPhone ever made. Whether that's progress or a problem will depend on how much those extra grams actually improve the experience. If the rumors are right, next year's iPhone might not just break records, it might break wrists too.